So Joe, we're here today. We want to talk a little bit about some intercom products manufactured by Commend. What's the difference between the od10 and the id5 or the od5?
Sure, so we'll start with the od10. That's this intercom right here in the center. This intercom, the OD stands for outdoor, 10 stands for 10-inch, and it's a touchscreen display. This intercom is weatherproof, so it's IP67 rated, and it's also impact resistant with a rating of IK7. Another nice feature is the camera has a very wide angle lens, so when it's mounted at ADA height, it can very easily capture someone in a wheelchair or even very tall people standing close up to the intercom. The large screen is very nice for large tenant buildings with multiple tenants, multiple places to call. We have a scrolling directory. The intercom, when it's sitting idle, it can go into an advertising mode. Another very nice feature that we've used before is a "You Are Here" map on the intercom. That way it's very easy for someone who may be lost to figure out where they are inside the building. That talks about the od10. What about the id5s? So we have two different id5s here. This guy here, which has a desk mount station with a handset. This intercom does not have a camera. Both the id5s can be ordered with or without a camera, and then this one has a simple desk mount with a camera in it. ID stands for indoor, and 5 stands for 5-inch touchscreen display. These guys they don't need to be mounted on a desk. They can be mounted in both cases flat against the wall on a mullion, or yes, we have some other mounting options. So flush or surface mounted boxes as well. Okay. And what's the difference between the one with the camera and without, from a use case perspective? From a use case, the one without a camera I would put at someone's desk or control room where they just don't need two-way video. Okay. So the one with the camera goes out at the door. The one without the camera is in the control room, so they can see who they're talking to. Yes. Exactly. Why don't we give that a try? Why don't we go ahead and launch a call? I think Brad's out in the hallway, so let's launch a call and see what happens with an incoming call. Sure. So you can see that we have video in both intercoms. With this intercom, I'm going to pick up the handset. It will automatically answer the call. I can have two-way clear communication. If I wanted to let Brad in, I could hit the open door button, and this would fire a relay that's programmed to unlock the door, and then it would end the call. But in this case, I'm just going to hit the end call button and hang up the call. I can also set down the handset and it would end the call as well. So you can get the unit with and without the handset. You can get the unit that has the base without the handset and a base with the handset. Those are both options. Can you get a handset for the od10? No, you cannot. It's meant for outdoors, in front of a building. Okay, on an emergency station or one of those type situations. I think that was a really good overview of both of the products, the Commend id5 and the Commend od10. One of the other things was, again, we do have an od5 product that is available. Unfortunately, we didn't have one in time to do the demonstration, but that product is now available from Commend as well. Yes, and it's very similar to od10, but it's just in the id5 format, if you will. Okay. And as always, if you ever need help with system design or layout, please contact us at support@midchess.com or visit our website at www.midchess.com.